GR number 165389, October 17, 2008. NFD International Manning Agents and AS Vulcanos, Oslo, National Labor Relations Commission, Jose I. Ilagan Jr. and Constantino Co. Jr. Jose I. Ilagan Jr. and Constantino Co. Jr. were among 21 Filipino seamen hired by Heron Petitioner NFD International Manning Agents Incorporated to work on board the chemical tanker MT Lady Helen, a vessel owned and operated by Petitioner AS Vulcanos Oslo, NFD's foreign principal. On February 11, 1997, while MT Lady Helen was at Island Viewport, Durban, South Africa, Shipmaster Captain Steiner Anderson dismissed the 21 Filipino seamen, including Heron private respondents, from their employment. They were subsequently repatriated, arriving in the Philippines on February 15, 1997. On March 3, 1997, NFD filed before the Adjudication of the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration a disciplinary complaint against the 21 seamen, alleging that they were guilty of mutiny, insubordination, desertion, attempting to desert the vessel, and conspiracy. Subsequently, in an order dated October 12, 1999, the POEA Adjudication Office dismissed the disciplinary complaint filed by NFD, ordering that the names of the 21 seamen be removed from the POEA watch list. Meanwhile, on May 6, 1997, private respondents together with 8 complainants of the 21 seamen whose employments were terminated filed with the National Labor Relations Commission, National Capital Region in Quezon City, a complaint for wrongful breach of contract, illegal dismissal, and damages against NFD and Vulcanos, contending that they were summarily dismissed from their employment without just and valid cause and in gross violation of the terms of their employment contract. They were forcibly disembarked from the vessel at the time of their discharge, and up to filing of their complaint, they had not been paid their accrued salaries, guaranteed overtime pay, and leave pay. In their position paper, NFD and Vulcanos petitioners contended the complainants were validly and lawfully dismissed from their employment for their act of mutiny, insubordination, desertion, attempting to desert the vessels, and conspiracy among themselves, together with the other Filipino seamen, in refusing and or failing to join MT Lady Helen in its next trip or destination to Mauritius without just and valid cause. Contrary to the complainants' claim, they were not forcibly disembarked from the vessel. Four out of the 10 complainants had already withdrawn their complainants. Out of the remaining 6 complainants, 5 were given the option to return to MT Lady Helen and rejoin it in its next trip to Mauritius. The filing of the complaint was merely an afterthought of the complainants after NFD filed cases for disciplinary action against them. Complainants were not entitled to any of the amounts which they sought to recover. Instead, they should reimburse NFD for the expenses incurred by the latter in connection with their valid dismissal and subsequent repatriation to the Philippines.